With that, you now know all of the shortcuts, patterns, steps, and troubleshooting techniques to be a true power builder in Parabola, which is not something that many people can say. So big time congratulations on completing this course. Now, to round us out, as we start thinking about how we take what you learned in this course and start applying it to your day-to-day and really maximize the impact that you're making in Parabola, I'll distill everything down to 3 tips that you can keep in mind to make the biggest possible impact on your organization. My first tip is for you to make an effort to make your data and flows across the org as accessible as possible. You can do this by setting up integrations for teammates, creating Parabola tables, using folders to organize your flow, and being the person in the org that's going to drive organization and make sure everyone has access to what they need to be successful in Parabola. My second tip is to make everything as reusable as possible. Logic within flows can be saved as templates. You can save integration accounts so anyone from the team can drag and drop it and reuse authentications that you've already set up and approved with IT. You also can set naming conventions across your team so that when people drop a pull from Parabola table step onto the canvas, it's really clear where that data comes from, and it's really easy to reuse all of the flows and tables that you've worked so hard to create. Finally, I recommend you teach people to fish. As a true power builder, people are going to be slacking you, they're going to be putting time on your calendars, asking for help, fixing an issue, and it's your responsibility to show them, hey, we can actually prompt Parabola to solve this issue. Actually, this is how you pull in this data. And the more that you invest in coaching your teammates to give them some of the same knowledge that you've gained through this course, the more self-sufficient they'll be in the future. And when in doubt, you can always push them to take this course to learn the same tips that you developed along the way. Again, congratulations on completing Parabola 301 focused on advanced building patterns. Before you go, make sure to scroll down on this page to request a certificate for completing the course. And if you do have any questions or feedback, feel free to either include it in the forum or shoot us an email at support@parabola.io. Thanks so much for taking this course. We can't wait to see what you build.